Hello world! Today I finally had the time to reorder some of the video clips that we filmed here at XYZ, the Creative Center in Conegliano, Italy. This clip that I just released on YouTube is a special one. Usually when we have very long studio sessions, we tend to have breaks, and during those breaks we like to spin records. We like to mix vinyl records of good artists to get inspired, to get new ideas and let them marinate. All that then comes back when we write music. So this is a nice session, short, straight to the point, raw, fully analog. We hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it, and if you do like this kind of raw clips, I'll keep sharing with them. I'll keep sharing them with you. That said, if you are new to this channel, welcome, and we kindly invite you to subscribe. We are on our mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's a new channel, so we hope to get there together, to unlock the community tab and other YouTube features, to turn this place into a more engaging place. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also the raw clip we just released, and other than that, stay tuned. We have tons of videos packed with new music coming your way. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.